which is the hearing and determination of the proposed removal from office by impeachment of His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Away from that, allow me to take you through some of the evidence and documents that have been tabled before the Senate for consideration. The National Assembly has forwarded the following documents to support their case. The documents include the impeachment motion and witness affidavits, the exhibits of the impeachment motion, the public participation report, the House proceedings, the Deputy President's response in regards to the motion to kick him out of office, and an affidavit by Peterson Njomo Mushira, among others, as the support for their case against the Deputy President. The Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is currently facing 11 charges listed in the motion for his impeachment, that by the end of today, the House will vote on each and every charge. And in regards to the laws of impeachment that guides the Senate, in the event that the senators vote to uphold either of the 11 charges, the Deputy President would stand impeached. But that will not be the end, or that might not be the end, as he might opt to continue fighting for his political lifeline through the courts. The other probable outcome is that the Senate, upon hearing the defense and the prosecution side, and after having voted, the other way would be to probably, in the event they don't find the charges, the 11 charges, to have been substantiated. And upon taking of the vote, neither of the charge is voted to have been substantiated, then the motion falls and the Deputy President continues to hold office. Well, the team representing the Deputy President, Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, who until last evening said their witness was only going to be the Deputy President in response to the charges leveled against the Deputy President. The team is being led by Senior Counsel Paul Moite, being the lead counsel for the defense team. They equally have Elisha Odhiambo, an advocate of the High Court, Mr. Tom Mashira, Advocate Ndegwa Njiru, Advocate John Jomo, Advocate Faith Waigwa, Advocate George Wandati, among others. They are totaling to about 14 advocates who are at the Senate to defend the Deputy President, who is the only witness in his case for impeachment. The defense has equally forwarded documents to the Senate in regards to how they intend to counter the accusations facing the second-in-command. The accusation, among them, are the documents that the defense is supposed to be relying on for the better part of today to defend the Deputy President, are the response to the particulars of the allegations in the motion by Honorable Mwengi Mutuse. This is a response to the charges leveled against the deputy president in the impeachment motion. They equally have presented witness affidavits of Honorable Rigathi Gachagua, EGH, and further witnesses in further affidavits under Volume 4 of their documents by the Deputy President. The defense equally has video and electronic evidence that will be played for the better part of today as they seek to convince senators why they should be throwing out the case against the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. The Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Kindly take your seats.